Good morning guys, Assalamu alaikum. So Nasif, welcome back my Lupinay vlog. And today not any delivery videos. Today I think because my bike service day today and already more than 1000 kilometer I ought to drive, and every day 1000 kilometer I need to go garage and oil changing and service my bike. And today I think just I make video about my bike service center and my bike also. So my bike here I driving TVS Apache 160 cc bike. It's a good bike also and good to drive and little bit heavy also. And now I going to service center in the Alcos rest area, and I stay near Ticum also. Here to 10 to 15 minutes to driving time. And when I came there, I'll just show you the bike service center. Guys, I guess I already came here. Service center, my bike there, the back side. I waiting here to because I already booked online. I need to show the my multi everything. I just don't tell my what's a complaint everything. This is inside the garage. Now I get my tag also, my time. 7 o'clock. We'll go take inside. Now I go into this one putting on my bike. Hey guys, this one a garage is the list. This one entrance. The name is the list. And I show you the back side service window, washing area also. Guys, still not yet ready, not yet finished my bike service, and I'm still waiting for my bike. Automatic washing area, and I'll show you the bike washing also automatic. I'll just go inside and just wait my bike handle coming. This one guys inside the servicing center. My bike still there waiting for. I think not to start also, but I'm still waiting. Guys, not to finish. I'm still waiting because changing brake shoe and need to change the light, bulb also front light, headlight. Not because there is a first shift already changed. That's why they're doing the second shift now, doing my work, my bike work, and I'm still waiting. I don't know what time. Already 1 hour. So I come to 6:45, 7 o'clock. That bike will go inside, but until this time, not yet ready also. Only 1 hour, not yet ready, not yet finished. Still inside the mechanic side. They're changing now brake shoes also. I guess this on the automatic bike service, the water service, usually, but still not yet from my bike. I waiting here. I don't know what time I receive my bike after washing also. I guess now my bike was coming. The second bike, my bike, it's already coming. They already there put inside the washing. Now my bike coming out. That's it. The automatic service. Bike water service automatic. Just coming my bike. The tube. My bike coming. This is my bike. Already come out guys, already washed my bike. Now look like new already. Still, it's on my bike. Now I go getting my chavi. this is the reception. Because already finished the washing also, everything. And guys, next video I'll show you how to booking the online book. Guys, I will receive my chavi now, and my service this week will finish. And next week I'll show you next week how to use the Easily online booking app, because before coming you need to book also online this service. If without booking, if you come here, they will not accept. You need to must booking the online. And I'll make next video how to use that one, Easily app, the online booking also. And guys, I need your support for my channel. Subscribe and like and comment and share with your friends also. And thank you for watching my small video, and let's see you next video again. And enjoy. Thank you for watching my video.